Så er vi kommet til Roskilde ud til 11:30 og St. Paddy's Jam. Og ved siden af mig har jeg Bo, som er ham, der står for det. Bo, hvor lang tid har det her taget at få stablet på benene?
Det har taget cirka 3,5 år.
3,5 år, det er godt nok lang tid. Hvorfor så lang tid?
Der var nogle kommunesammenlægninger, der satte en stopper for starten på projektet, fordi at alle budgetter blev låst, og der var ikke nogen, der ville tage beslutning om vi måtte starte på det her projekt. Men efter det, så fik vi lov til at komme ind i bygningen og gøre den klar. Det er jo en gammel fabrikshal, hvor man lavede fliser, så der lå rigtig meget støv, så vi startede med at gøre rent og fjerne 3 kubikmeter støv i nogle containere. Og så har vi stille og roligt bygget skatearealet op. Simpelthen ved at starte med det, vi lige kunne skrave sammen, og så søge lidt penge, og så bygge lidt, søge lidt penge og bygge lidt. Og så er vi så nået hertil i dag.
Så det vil sige, at selve hallen består faktisk af hvad skal man sige, samlede ting fra forskellige ting, og en masse folk, der har lagt en masse blod, sved og tårer for at få det op at stå?
Ja, altså mange af ramperne er genbrugsramper, som vi har taget fra et andet skateareal, som ligger i en boligområde, der hedder Æblehaven herovre på den anden side. Men og meget af det er også noget, Frank er kommet med fra Ramp Riders, som de har flyttet over fra Irland og herover. Og så har vi sparet lidt op og bygget nogle nye ting, det vi nu synes, der skulle være. Vi kunne godt tænke os en hal, som ikke ligner alt andet. En hal, som jamen, er lidt undergrunds på den måde, at alting skal ikke være den samme bue og ikke den samme højde og alting. Altså det skal være sådan lidt spændende. Det skal lidt være en udfordring, hver gang man kører hen til noget.
Så er det vist på tide, at jeg kommer ind og ser, hvad der er i hallen. Der har vi Travis, manden bag St. Paddy's Jammet. Hey Travis, how's it going?
Not bad, man. What's up?
You kind of was the main man behind this St. Paddy's Day Jam. Why did that all come about?
I don't know, man. It was Frank. He's Irish, so it's a little celebration of his national day.
All right. What's the whole idea behind having this jam?
I don't know, man. We just kind of built some ramps and thought we'd let everyone come ride them and ask them to come and give us some money. That was about it.
So it's all about the money, actually.
No, man. It's not really. We're just poor.
Yeah. And you built it out of your own pocket, most of it, right?
Yeah, we did.
Okay. Thanks a lot, man.
Jamen, jeg er så indenfor sammen med Frank Coggins, som er fra Ramp Riders. So Frank, what is Ramp Riders?
It's a skate park building company, and we do shows and rent out ramps and stuff like that around Denmark and Ireland. So it's a ramp company, BMX, skateboard and inline. We represent all 3 disciplines of the sports, and we're experts at what we do. So.
Okay, do you only build ramps, or do you make shows, or?
Oh yeah, we do it all. Like we build ramps and we do shows as well, and we hire ramps, and it's all anything that's related to this kind of activity where we supply the equipment and we make the facilities to go with it.
How many guys have you been building all this? It's a pretty big area.
We got some help off Alan and Jesper from wheelieshop.dk, and me and Travis were the main guys. We ride for Simple Bikes. Me and Travis were the main 2 guys building this place. I think it was about 5 weeks work spread out over 3 or 4 months, if you know what I mean, because we had other stuff to do and stuff like that. So yeah, ultimately 2 people, but we got some help here and there along the way, which was great help, and thanks to everyone who helped out, you know. So
it's a lot of ramps. Who financed all this?
Well, we have some sponsorship support. Like, I mean, ultimately, I did. Ramp Riders financed this whole thing, to be honest with you. Like, but we got help, like, with other things, with Monster energy drinks and Wheelieshop.dk and Simple Bikes. Some good companies around who are just believe in what we're doing and just into helping us out to achieve our goal, and make it as best as it can be in their own way. So, but yeah, Monster Energy Drinks, Ramp Riders, and Simple Bikes and Wheelieshop.dk were the driving force behind making this happen. But Ramp Riders ultimately, So, yeah.
Has there been any struggles getting this built, or has it been pretty easy all the way through?
No, every day is a struggle. It was sometimes you'd question your sanity, what you're doing, but yeah, we got through it in the end. But it certainly wasn't easy, and it was an awful lot of work and an awful lot of time and long nights, and even staying here at times and stuff like that. It was big. It was a big project for 2 people.
How long have you got this? Is it permanent or?
No, what is permanent? Nothing's ever permanent. As far as I know, we've got 2 years for the moment, and that's plenty for me. I mean, you can live and die in 2 years, so that's loads of time for me. So.
Well, that's correct. 2 years is a long time in the BMX world.
It would only take a couple of days to rip this place out of it and send it off to another location. Time isn't an issue with me. It doesn't stop here. This is just the beginning of it. I mean, it's a great beginning, but it's only the beginning. So.
It sounds you got a lot in hand.
I just got to keep moving forwards.
Sounds really good. Helt sikkert en fed hal, og det er absolut ikke sidste gang, vi kommer her. Super godt bygget af Ramp Riders. Hvis I har mulighed for det, tag ud og besøg den. Roskilde, 12:30.